Hello, riders! Would like a rally controller to do this? On Google Maps, as you can see, is made in 3D printing. This button has 4 functions, such as advancing. With this button, we can zoom out or zoom out map. With this other, return to our original location, and the last one to activate compass to start navigating, all for around $30 to $40. R6 articles that you can find in many electronics. You can pause the video and write them down. Casings will also be required, what I will leave in the description of the video, or search for it directly in THINGIVERSE.com. This project is originally from StylesRe. All steps are in INSTRUCTABLES.com. Of programming on the web, github.com. Okay, he also explains that once with the files on our computer, we must go to the page esptool.spacehun.com. Connect our ESP32 to the computer and save the files as shown in the image. Well, before welding and putting everything together, we must prove that Bluetooth function and connect to our phone. Remember that when installing the step-down to the 3D printed box, we must adjust the voltage to 5 volts as shown in the picture. Well, once we have all the components in place and soldiers in their corresponding pins, as shown on the page, will now be bread and butter. This is done on Android. So we will head to the Play Store and we will download this application of KeyMapper. First, we will open the application. We will give you all necessary permits and we will start to remap the first button. Once inside, let's go action. Click screen. We open a screenshot of the application. We want to remap. 2 of us tap the center to register the center point. And we give it a distance of 100, but you can choose the zoom you want. We give OK to everything and continue to record the button. Number 2. Let's add another action again. Picama swipe screen, then start again. We open the screenshot, and we pick where we want the swipe to start. Now we select Final, and we pick where we want the swipe to end in the screenshot, and then accept everything. Well, we will quickly go to remap the third button. Again, we added a new action. Now we will undertake this interesting action. What it is to interact with the application, we managed to record. The application will record all the movements we make. We will open Google Maps. We will perform the desired command in Mapper again. And stop the darkness. We enter into Dynamic Elements. We choose the application that interests us and apply the command we are interested in. In this case, it is a Map Recenter button. The action once included, we once again accept everything. And we continue with the fourth and last button. This is basically the same process as last time. And since we already have the hidden commands, in this case, the only difference is that we will tap the compass command, as seen on the screen, and we accept everything. Now we give you play to the application to get the new buttons up and running. Okay, let's test the buttons in the application as zoom out. Let's go now with movement. Forward, click on the center button and then on the compass button. And everything works excellent. Remember that you can apply this method in other applications and give your rally controller many different utilities. Let's not forget to stop the application. Before using other applications, I forgot in the original code of Styles originally comes in profile number 1 with 3 commands. For the Osmond application, which are 1 to move away, 2 approach, and 3 If you want to sail or participate in rallies, remapping is easier, since the Terra Pirate application, in its latest update, added a function where the only thing we have to do is to select the buttons that we will use in this application. As shown in the video, we tested them before the rally to be sure, such as uploading vignette, downloading vignette, increase odometer, decrease odometer. This is already on a different level. Also has a profile too. To activate it, we only press button 1, and for 10 seconds, then it is used for music, as it is possible to increase volume down. Previous song, the video is a bit long, but I hope it will be your help. Well now, riders to enjoy their routes.